Hi, it's Colin, and it is started to rain for the hurricane, but it was really raining like 10 minutes ago, but it's slowed down now. So
what's the date?
It's Friday,
Yep.
September 14th. This is technically day 3 still, but we already uploaded the video, so we're going to put this in day 4.
Yeah. It's a little after 7 at night, in the evening.
Yeah, I know.
Nope. Okay.
It's just gotten slower raining since it was pouring. But, yeah. So this is
See you tomorrow.
And see you tomorrow when it's actually day 4. Hi, it's Colin. Hi, it's Shannon. And it's Saturday the 15th. And Florence has finally hit us. Yeah, and it's really raining a lot. We have flash flood warnings. Wait, we do? Yeah, and it's 74 degrees out.
And remember how strong the wind is?
24
miles an hour? Yep.
And then
here comes a nice little gust.
And we put out a bowl of water.
Oh, let's see.
Or a bowl to see how much water we get. And so far, we've got 1 inch of water. Got 1 inch.
Yep.
Make sure the cameras don't get water.
Last night.
So it's been raining a lot. Yeah. I think it started like midnight maybe. I was probably asleep when it started raining.
And it's going to go the wind advisory through tomorrow morning and flood warnings through
today and forever. Monday morning, yeah.
Monday.
So we may not have school Monday.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
All right. We'll post more updates later.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye. Hey guys, so currently it started to really rain. It's like pouring. This is probably what's going to be like this whole weekend.
Yep.
And we're going to measure how many inches of rainwater there is. I need to see.
Yeah.
1.5 inches. So we've gained half an inch since this morning.
Back up. Hang on to your umbrella. It's 4 o'clock on Saturday.
Oh, there. This is better.
It's coming down a little sideways now. Come on, Belle.
She doesn't have any first.
Oh. Woo, Belle! Give her one more.
One more, Belle. She's like, I'm out of here. All right, here we go.
Go ahead. Good girl. Give her one more. She's tire her out a little.
Come on, let's get out of this dump. Let's get out of this dump.
Go, Belle.
All right.
Colin will throw one now.
Hi, Colin, you want to throw one?
Yeah.
Come on, Belle. Hurricane dog.
Stuck.
Yay, Belle.